Hello everyone, welcome back to V Ideas. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a delicious pizza at home without using an oven. This is a quick recipe to spice up your weekends as well as impress your loved ones. You can get creative with your toppings to make a flavoursome pizza of your choice. This pan pizza can be made in 4 quick and easy steps. First, stir fry the toppings. Second, cook the pizza base. Third, spread the pizza sauce and the toppings. Fourth, melt the cheese. Let's begin. For my toppings, I have chosen white button mushrooms, red, green and orange capsicums, French beans, onions, and cottage cheese. I have also marinated few boneless chicken pieces in chili powder, turmeric powder and salt. I will be using pizza sauce for my pizza base. You can also use tomato ketchup as sauce. Just make sure to choose the right flavor according to your taste buds. Please note that I'm using a ready-made pizza base which is readily available in most of the bakeries or supermarkets. If you don't find a pizza base, then a slice of sandwich bread should be good enough. I will be also using some butter, mozzarella cheese, salt and crushed pepper for flavor as well as some cooking oil to stir fry the veggies. I prefer olive oil as you all know. Step 1. Stir fry the toppings of your choice. For this, heat the pan and add a small amount of butter into the pan. Let it melt. Once it melts completely, add the marinated boneless chicken pieces into the pan. Stir well and cook it thoroughly. Once the chicken pieces turn crispy, add some crushed pepper into it. Mix it well and then remove it from the pan. If you are a vegetarian, then you can add cottage cheese instead of chicken. But if you have got no particular dietary choices, then you can add both the chicken pieces as well as the cottage cheese as your toppings. Stir fry the cottage cheese cubes in cooking oil. Remove it from the pan once it turns golden brown. Next, I'm going to stir fry slices of mushrooms on high flame. Add salt and crushed pepper to enhance the flavor. Stir fry to cook well and then remove it from the pan. I am sure that you must have already got the hang of stir frying the veggies. Next, stir fry slices of onion. Don't forget to add salt and crushed pepper to spice it up. When stir frying veggies, ensure to keep them crunchy. Now, let's stir fry the remaining veggies. Keep mixing them well after adding salt and crushed pepper. Remove the veggies from the pan when they turn a bit soft but remain crunchy. Yum! Step 2. Cook the pizza base. Melt some butter in the hot pan. When the butter melts completely, first cook the top side of the pizza base in the pan on medium flame. If you find my nails attractive, then do check the above link to know how I did my nails at home. Well, coming back to our pizza, carefully poke some holes into the pizza base with the help of forks as shown in the video. Now, add some butter on the pizza base. Then flip it and switch off the flame. Step 3. Spread the pizza sauce and the toppings. Evenly spread the pizza sauce with the help of a spoon. Then, starting from mozzarella cheese, layer all the toppings one by one. Finally, finish the layering again with mozzarella cheese. Me and my partner loves pizzas with rich toppings. Give it a gentle press to keep everything together. Step 4. Melt the cheese using a lid. Cover your pizza with a lid and switch on the flame. Cook it for few minutes on low flame. Once the cheese melts, you can remove it from the pan. Melt the cheese using a tawa. For this method, heat a tawa on high flame for few minutes. Then cover the pizza with a hot tawa and switch on the flame. As the low flame cooks the pizza base from bottom, the heat from the hot tawa melts the cheese on top to give the cheesy flavor. After few minutes, you can remove it from the pan and plate it. Slice it and enjoy this delicious cheesy pizza with a glass of your favorite drink. Do try it and let me know your reviews in the comment section below. See you soon.